Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to export one single sheet to text file in Excel. By default, the Excel data will be saved as workbooks in the format of XLSX. However, we can export a worksheet of an existing workbook as text files with the Save As feature. Please do as follows. Shift to the workbook you will export to a text file. Click on the File tab. Click on the Save As option. Click on the Browse. In the opening Save As dialog box, select the destination folder you will save the exported text file into. Name the file in the file name box. And then select the Unicode text from the Save As Type drop-down list. Click the Save button. Then it will pop up a warning dialog box asking you to export only the active worksheet as a text file and leave out any incompatible feature with the text file. Click the OK button. Then the data in the active worksheet are exported as a new text file. The Save As command is only able to export data of active worksheet as a text file. If you want to export all data of the whole workbook, you need to save each workbook as a text file individually. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.